How to recover Shein account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Shein.com. You will be led to the official web page of Shein. Tap on your profile icon and go ahead and tap on the sign in or register option you see there. You will further be required to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter your email address and tap on the continue button. You will then be required to enter your password. So since we want to recover our password, tap on the forgot password option you see there. And now, in the pop-up that appears, tap on continue. You will then receive an email in the email address you just entered. So go ahead and open your mail from Shein and tap on the reset password option. You will then be prompted to create a new password. So go ahead and create a new password by making sure to meet the password requirements. Once changed, go ahead and log yourself in by entering your email address and the password that you just changed, and with this, your account will be recovered. So this is how you can recover Shein account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.